Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we are going to start a new chapter, eclipses. First we will see the difficult words and their meanings. The first word is constantly and the meaning is always, all the time. The second word is comets. Comets are cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rock and dust that orbit the sun. Third word is asteroids, small rocky bodies orbiting the sun. Fourth word is revolve, to move in a circle. Do you know that we are always on the move? Even when we are standing still, we are moving. Okay, now you can stop your video here and you can observe it. Can you feel the movement? When you are sitting, you are eating your lunch, you are drinking your water. Can you feel the movement? No, we can't feel the movement. But the earth is moving constantly. लगातार मुसलसल अर्थ मूव कर रही है. But we can't feel it. We are moving because the earth is constantly moving. Everything in our solar system is moving. When the earth is moving and alongside the earth, ज़मीन के साथ साथ हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में मौजूद हर चीज़ मूव कर रही है, हरकत कर रही है. Our solar system includes the sun, the 9 planets and their moons, comets and asteroids. They are constantly moving too. At the center of it all is the sun. As you know that in our solar system we have the sun, moon, planets, comets and more things. And all these things are moving. ये तमाम हरकतें, ये तमाम अज़ाम, ये तमाम चीज़ें हरकत में हैं. And the center of it all is the sun. और इन सब के बीच में सूरज मौजूद है जिसके गर्द ये तमाम चीज़ें हरकत कर रही हैं. The Earth, which ranks third in terms of distance from the Sun, takes 24 hours to rotate. ज़मीन जो सूरज से दूसरे प्लैनेट के मुकाबले में तीसरे नंबर पर मौजूद है, एक चक्कर पूरा करने में 24 घंटे लेती है. This is what causes day and night. और इसी वजह से ज़मीन की इस गर्दिश की वजह से, इस रोटेशन की वजह से डे और नाइट बन रहे होते हैं, दिन और रात बन रहे होते हैं. As the earth rotates, it also moves or revolves around the sun. जब ज़मीन रोटेट करती है, मूव करती है, वो सूरज के गिर्द घूम भी रही होती है. The earth's path around the sun is called its orbit. ज़मीन का रास्ता जो सूरज के इर्द गिर्द चलता है, जो घूमती है जिस रास्ते पे ज़मीन, उसको ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. As the earth orbits the sun, the moon orbits the earth. और जब ज़मीन सूरज के गिर्द चक्कर लगा रही होती है, when it is moving around the sun, the moon orbits the earth. उस वक्त चांद जो है वो ज़मीन का चक्कर लगा रहे होते हैं. You can see in this picture, it is earth, it is sun and it is moon. When the earth is moving around the earth, the moon is moving around the earth. When the earth is moving around the sun, it is orbiting the sun, the moon is orbiting the earth. Now I have a video for you so you can see it, how the day and night becomes, the pattern of the day and night. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created day and night. In space, the earth moves in different ways. One way the earth moves is by spinning on its axis. The axis in and okay. अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ये बात समझने की ज़रूरत है कि ये एक्सिस क्या है. What is this axis? Axis is an imaginary line. Axis एक imaginary line है, एक तस्वुराती लाइन है. ये असल में नहीं होती. but the scientists imagine this line and they do the calculations through this line. ओके उन्होंने ये लाइन इमेजिन करी है कि ये एक लाइन होती है, उसके थ्रू वो उसकी रोटेशन को कैलकुलेट करते हैं. An axis is an imaginary line that runs through the Earth's center. This spinning movement on its axis is called a rotation. As it rotates, part of the Earth is facing the Sun. This part of the Earth is in lit up of experience daytime. At the same time, the opposite side of the earth is facing away from the sun. This part of the earth is in darkness and it is night time. It takes it takes the earth 24 hours to complete one rotation. The repeating rotation of the earth is why we experience the daily pattern of day and night. So here you and in solar system we have so many planets and हर planet का जो rotation का time है वो अलग है. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑन जुपिटर, जुपिटर पे जो rotation उसकी है वो अर्थ के मुकाबले में अर्थ जैसे 24 आवर्स लेता है, असल से जुपिटर पे 10 आवर्स में उसकी रोटेशन कंप्लीट हो जाती है. सो इट इज़ वेरी फास्ट. आई होप कि आपको ये एक्सप्लेनेशन समझ में आई होगी. Okay, now it is your homework task. Do question number 1 of exercise B of page number 37 and draw the picture of Earth orbiting the Sun and Moon orbiting the Earth. Okay, take care of yourself. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.